Hi guys, and welcome back to Macaroon. In this video, I want to check out a viral hack on how to make apple juice using just your hands. This is a very old trick, and I actually saw it a long time ago on BuzzFeed or one of those meme websites. I haven't seen anyone doing this on YouTube Shorts or TikTok, so why not give it a try? It's incredibly simple, and you just need apples. Be sure to wash them first and then stick them in the freezer for at least one night. Once the apples are frozen solid, take them out and let them thaw again. I had to put these in a plastic bag because there was quite a lot of condensation forming. Once the apples have thawed out, they'll feel quite mushy like this. This is also why it's a lot easier to wash them before they've been frozen. Now you can simply squeeze it with your hands. I'm a bit unsure where to start, but once the skin is broken, there's actually quite a lot of liquid coming out. I don't know why it's kind of foamy, but I'm pretty sure this isn't harmful because it's literally just a frozen apple. I was a lot more confident with the second one, so I just went in with both hands. Alright guys, it's taste test time. So it's been about 2 minutes since I made the juice, and as you can see, the foam is almost completely gone. This looks like normal apple juice. It also tastes super sweet, really delicious. It's just cold, fresh apple juice. The color is a bit dark, and I think it's because it's starting to oxidize, which is the same thing that apples will do if you expose it to air. And I don't know, maybe you can get around this by using some lemon juice inside, but personally it doesn't bother me that much. So I did a bit of research, and this is actually a method that's often used in high-end restaurants to get their expensive fresh juice. It also works with pears. Apparently, the juice is not supposed to oxidize as much, but I definitely think that my juice turned darker after a while. However, on the whole, this is a very fun and surprisingly useful trick for using up any extra fruit that you have lying around. If you enjoyed this video, then please check out the other ones in this series as well. I'm Joanna, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!